What's up, guys? I'm Chad. This is my son Dalton, and this is Coyote Classics.
We're buying cars every day, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop a like on the video, and with that said, let's check some cars out. So today we're walking into our all Ford showroom. Yesterday we gathered all the Fords from the lot, Fords and Mercurys, and aligned them in this showroom. We got all kinds of neat stuff, from Mustangs to Comets to Fairlanes. We got it all. We'll start right here with the Falcon. This is a beautiful car, laser straight paint, show quality car through and through with air conditioning.
Probably one of the nicest Falcons around. Me and my wife drove this about 80 miles to a wedding reception, drove it home at night, all the lights worked, and what a fun car to drive, and it's got cold air. We have this one priced at $40,995.
White Mustang we just put on last week. That's a great car and a great deal for somebody too. Great ownership history. Bought two cars from the same couple, and they had both cars for a very long time, and babied the hell out of all their cars.
How many 66 Mustangs you see with power steering, brakes, and air? It's got the deluxe interior, 100% original. This one runs and drives just as good as it looks, and we have this one priced at $26,995.
Jumping up a couple years, this is a 1968 Mustang Coupe. I love the 68s with the C-stripe. This has got a 351 in it. Love the look, love the way this one drives.
A lot of power. This is one we did a lot of work to. Tim buffed it out. We did a lot of trim work. We did all the interior. We put our Coyote Classics touch on this one, and this one we have priced at $27,995.
Comment down below if you've ever seen one of these. 1972 Mercury Cyclone GT, or Comet GT, isn't it?
Tell you what, it's definitely the nicest one you're ever gonna find. You can't buy one for 10 grand and restore it anywhere close to this for our price of $42,995.
Yeah, it's a pretty special car. Comment down below if you ever had one or even seen one.
Probably one of the nicest 1973, very well optioned, power steering, brakes, air, power windows, beautiful red, rotisserie restored, and we have this one priced at $49,995.
This car I just took, what was it, yesterday? We had engagement photos. I'm getting married, so me and my fiance took this one and got some photos with it. This car's absolutely beautiful. It's a dark green, almost looks black in some lights, but gorgeous paint. It drove great. I probably put 55 miles on it the other night and enjoyed the hell out of driving it.
One thing I like about this one is it's got the comfortable seats. Yep. And it's got the shoulder belts, and the stance of it's perfect. Laser straight, perfect paint.
Yeah. I never wear a seatbelt, but my fiance's a stickler for seatbelts, and she was pretty excited that I had the shoulder belts on there. So,
so your wife, right?
Yeah, if your wife likes seatbelts, then buy that one. How about this factory 390 Fairlane 500 XL? Great paint, nice interior, and a big block Ford 390 under the hood.
That's a really good one. Beautiful body, painted black underneath, rust-free underneath. That one we have priced at $33,995. Sitting right beside it, we have this 1970 Boss 302 Mustang clone. But what it is a 302 two-barrel, pretty much identical, Wimbledon white, black interior, rust-free. This one we have priced at $42,995. It's got brand new American Racing torque rust wheels as well.
If you were to hear this thing run, you'd think it's a real boss. I mean, it's got some wicked dual exhaust. Probably my favorite part of the showroom is these Mustang convertibles that we have lined up. Starting with the 67 Mustang convertible. We did a walk around and test drive on this this past week. Car runs and drives great, beautiful candy apple red paint. And all these cars you can see in more detail on our website, CoyoteClassics.com. There you'll see our full walk around and test drive video, as well as price, description, undercarriage photos, everything that you're looking for.
1 second, this one we have priced at $42,995, disc brakes, power steering, and power brakes. And like I said, show quality paint. That's a good car as well. This one right here, D, what do we got?
This is a 1966 Mustang convertible. This is a really cocky car and a lot of car for the money. Fantastic look, the Shelby hood scoop,
California
GT stripes.
special,
Yep,
rear.
California special rear spoiler. Original interior color, original exterior color, but a wicked, cocky looking Mustang convertible.
Front disc brakes on this one as well. This one we have priced at $33,995. Like I said, for a convertible, the top's great. It's a tan cloth top.
Did you lower some prices yesterday?
Yeah.
Look at that.
I want to say we've had a great week here so far at Coyote Classics. This is coming out Sunday. It's Friday afternoon. We've already sold 8 or 9 this week. And no matter what the economy is, these classic cars are a very, very safe investment.
Yep.
We got a lot of crap going on in the world. I won't get political with you. But we got a lot of crap going on in the world. The interest rates are high. but Coyote Classics is still selling a ton of classic cars.
Like you said, they're great investments, and there's something that you can put your money in, you can see it, and it don't go down like your 401k is going down right now.
And you can insure it.
Yeah, that's true.
That's huge too. You can insure it for $400 a year.
Yep.
Right? This is a special one. Make sure you watch the next few weeks video, because this one we're doing, it's a 57,000 original mile car. Check out this interior. It's 100% original. But it has a couple little seam splits, and it's got some stains on the original carpet. Turquoise on turquoise, you can't beat it. Back over there by Dalton, we have new carpet, new door panels, new seat covers, new dash bezel. Everything on the interior of this is gonna be brand new. Even though it looks this good, it's
going to be a fun project to watch as it goes through the shop. It's just too nice of a car not to put the little time and effort in and take it to that next level.
Wheel well trim. I mean, it is going to be fantastic. We have sold a lot of turquoise colored vehicles, and I'll tell you what, it's one of the highest sellers we have.
Yeah, there's the hard color not to love. We'll go on through here, and we lined up some cars yesterday so they can watch the drive-in movie we got going.
Our alley right here.
Yep. Beautiful satellite. The olds we'll talk about in a second. This is a new arrival, but it made it through the shop so fast that we didn't have time to film it before. That car is really special. We drove it, and I was just blown away by how nice it drives and the cockiness of it with the wheels, the vinyl top, beautiful paint.
I love the 17-inch wheels in the front. I think 18s in the back. Cold air conditioning, absolute show quality. And you know what? You go to a show, how many 69 Olds Cutlass S's look this nice?
That one.
Yeah, exactly. How about these two beautiful Mopars? This one here we have at $38,995. Okay. Charger. We've lowered this price too. This is sale price. I paid more than I'm asking for this one, but it's one of those that if you're looking for a 1970 Charger and you want a 6-pack and you want one that's mint, I have one right here.
Yep.
This one's probably just under 100. I don't remember exactly where it's at, 99 or something.
That's a cool ass car too. Fast, fun to drive, and cocky.
Brand new motor, aluminum heads, 440, and it is fast. And the body and paint is laser straight. This one we have priced at $36,995.
Nice.
That's a lot of car for the money in a Mopar.
It is. I was doing some research on these this past week. This is rarer than I thought it was. You know, I thought it was maybe 1,000 or over. In '72, they only produced 727 stage 1 hardtops.
Wow. This is
rare.
one. This one we have priced at $53,995.
Original color on that thing too, with their dimensions.
1964 Pontiac GTO, factory numbers matching, power steering, tri-power, original motor rebuilt, original tranny rebuilt, red line tires, and this one will just go and go and go with that 2-speed power. I think we had this up to like 90 mile an hour.
We did.
Just a lot of fun to drive.
You know what I'm realizing? We have a lot of cars.
Right now, like I said, we have like 52 for sale on the website right now, and about 10 more that are getting ready to go on. So full inventory. 1971, beautiful Pontiac Le Mans, brand new 17-inch wheels, new spoiler, new lid tag, one repaint on a 100% original car. This is rust-free as well, and we have this priced at $31,995.
Do a little quick synopsis through the second showroom here. 75 Camaro, factory 4-speed, original luxury leather interior, an original LT Camaro.
This is all numbers matching as well, Lee.
Yep.
This one we have priced at $31,995. 71 Monte Carlo, absolute show car. We've got 2 or 3 people on this right now. This is priced at $35,995. The little black Mustang is going to California. We sold that this week. The 1966 Chevelle with a nasty big block is getting a brand new set of American Racing Torque Thrust wheels next week, kind of add a little more chrome to it. This one we have priced at $46,995, $47,995, something like that. We have a 1979 10th anniversary Trans Am, and guess what, though?
Finally found it at home.
It's sold, and it was a nice car.
57 Chevy Street Rod, big block 396, probably the wickedest sounding 57 Chevy in the state of Iowa right now. Beautiful color, just a beautiful car as a whole. But 65 Nova Super Sport. Now this car is a fantastic deal for somebody. We're just looking at comps yesterday, thinking about buying another Nova, and we're like, This thing is a steal for somebody. Original Super Sport, original V8 car, factory 4-speed. It's nice.
Factory tacking gauges, numbers matching 283 4-barrel, and guess what? It's red.
Yes. This is a new arrival. We're gonna do a walk around and test drive on this one and that blue Camaro today. Original Rally Sport, split bumper car, original interior. It's a good unit.
You missed over the 1972 Olds Cutlass that lasted less than a week.
Yep.
The customer you sold it to got a great deal on that one. That's an absolute show quality car.
He'll be impressed and excited to have that in his garage.
Did I tell you I'm going on a power tour this weekend?
Yeah, you did. Yeah, it should be fun. We've been looking for a car.
I think I'm gonna take this one right here. I was thinking about taking that little Mustang, but that thing doesn't sound anything like this. This is a wicked 700 horsepower Camaro. You can't shift this fast.
No, it's pretty fun to drive. That's gonna turn a few heads, I think.
I don't know if Mom's gonna like riding in this thing though.
I don't know. I don't know.
Let's not let her listen to it until we already get up there.
Exactly. One that's probably damn near as fast, or just as fast, really. The 72 Chevy Nova. That car, I've talked to a few guys that are like, I've never liked the 72 Novas until I seen that thing, and I kind of want to buy it. It's just one of those cars that will turn a Ford fan into a Chevy man.
I'll tell you what, if you've been looking at this car, we had it priced at $54,995. This is on sale for $49,995, and this is probably the best buy at the dealership right now.
Yeah, pretty special car. And then lastly, our 69 Plymouth Roadrunner.
Original green on green, buckets, console, $49,995. Very solid, and a real Roadrunner.
It's got a lot of inventory, and like Chad said, we just went through and fall priced a bunch of them. So check out the website, see something you like, give us a call while it's still here. With that said, we're gonna show you what's been happening in the shops this week.
I'm working on a 69 440 6-pack. They're claiming that it's not accelerating well, and I think the power valve is blown out of it. So I'm gonna take the carburetor off, the center carburetor, which is where the power valve is, and make sure that that's not blown out. Other than that, I don't think there's anything else going on with the car. So I'm installing the carburetor now. The power valve was blown out. And what the power valve does is when the vacuum drops in the engine, when you push the accelerator pedal down, it forces more fuel into the center carburetor. And that was blown out, so it was leaking fuel, which was causing it to run rich at an idle. So we're gonna get it back together and take it for a test drive and see how it goes.
1974 El Camino, we have a bad brake booster. I took the old one off. I was gonna put the new one on, but we got the wrong part.
You're sure that that's not gonna bolt on there?
Positive. For one, one of the bolt holes won't even line up. See the difference?
Oh yeah.
Here.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
And then when it goes through the firewall, this piece does not even go through. I tried putting it through, but it will not fit. Well, it's totally the wrong booster.
We'll have to just find the right one then. This power brake car has to have power brakes on it. I don't think we'll be able to get away with that.
No.
All right, we'll just get it out for now, find a better part, and
Yep.
move forward.
So I'm working on this 67 Ford Fairlane. I haven't had to do this for a while. I'm painting underneath, undercoated the wheel wells, making it look a little better. I do have a name for this one, Cherry Bomb, I guess. So pretty nice solid car. Just doing a flat black on her today. So should look better when I get it done here after a little bit.
We're working on a 71 green on green Rally Sport Camaro with a really nice running 350 in it. I took it for a drive the other day and kind of fell in love with it because it's a low miles, kind of an unrestored car. It's just been alive, I've been taking care of, babysat its whole life. So It's kind of amazing. We have both green cars in here today. One's a Mustang, one's a Camaro. I'm gonna fix, I had to order a switch for the blower motor, and we're gonna go on to the AC after we get that part. And we'll get the AC blowing cold. Mark has got the seats out of the Mustang because I'm gonna custom make some mounts to move the seats back to make more room, because we all know Mustangs are pretty tight fitting. You get a tall guy like me or anybody that wants to purchase the car, we need more room in these Mustangs, so I got a neat little custom way of making that.
Today I'm working on a 69 Olds Cutlass. And I put a nice shine to it. The thing I like about this car is I like the color black on it, and I like this chrome stripper along the bottom of it. It really sets it out.
This is a 1970 Nova. Brant just got done putting a motor in it, putting the exhaust on it. And then he handed it over to us for us to finish the check-in. I'm doing a lot of interior work on it. Fixed a couple lights, we spackled the trunk. I'll probably give it a quick buff. Paint's in pretty good shape though, so that's a plus. And then this one, it's been one of the cars that's been sitting here for a while. We haven't had the time to really work on it the way we should, so it's nice to see it get some work done, and we'll get it out the door. So.
Hi, I'm Jim. I work at Coyote Classics, been here a little over 10 years. My job is purchasing and hauling cars that are finished. We picked this car up in Waverly. Folks have had it for a considerable amount of time. It's got a brand new paint job on it, just picked it up from the body shop. All ready for someone's enjoyment.
Hey, I'm working on this 69 Camaro today. I do have a name for this one too, I guess. I named it Bluebird. Goes with Jaybird, so. Basically I'm just wiping down the motor and finish the inside and carpet. I gotta paint the seat brackets and work on the trunk. I got the bumpers, wheels underneath done. I gotta vacuum it out and work on the trim around the windows, on the molding and the mirrors. Work on the chrome around the edges a little bit. Quick waxer, and she'll be ready for the web.
If you enjoy the video, make sure you drop a like on it, comment down below, but most importantly, hit that subscribe button so you never miss another one of our videos. Also, if you see anything you like, make sure you check it out on our website, CoyoteClassics.com. There you'll see all kinds more information, photos, and an individual video of that car. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.